The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Albert, Deepak, Tim, guys, good morning. Gerardo, Tom, Chad, guys, good morning, good morning. Today is Friday, April 1st. We do have non-farm payrolls this morning. We obviously will not do anything ahead of non-farm payrolls. I don't think anything else matters today. Unemployment rate along with that, all of this, ISM at 10 as well. So we've got a day of news. Marco, good morning. Sam, Becky, blessings to you as well. Guys, good morning. Fellas, if you're here on trial, good morning and welcome. Ozzy, happy April Fool's Day. Let's see here. Coming into the session and ahead of significant news, hey, Dad, good morning. My bots are off. I have not, they wouldn't have taken any trades this morning anyways. I'm not running any bots at the moment. NASDAQ, small bounce up 75, 76 points. ES up 19. YM currently up 154. EMD 14. And Russell up 8. Let's see. Amen. Amen, Ozzy. Or Albert, amen. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Trials will end for you guys today. Hope you guys have enjoyed the week. Hope to have you with us on Monday as a member. In any event, I will quickly read the disclaimer. We'll look at some charts, see where we're at, and go from there. And my disclaimer is not there. Great. Now I got to find it. Bear with me, guys. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. There's first target filled. If NASDAQ breaks below 08, it will probably get hammered. Bonds look like they could short. Got a long trying on the NASDAQ here, but you've got a target at 34, maybe 43. All right, we got the auction on the bottom. Current candle has an auction. Still hasn't gone very far. Second target's at 22 handles. Don't know if we get there or not. But that is the only bot trade. Gold is bid. NASDAQ trying to break lower, fellas. Below 08, I think it gets punched. You're short ZB, Greg? Is that what you're saying? Or you're already short NASDAQ? I have ZB short at 19 with a target at 11. That's what I see. Short right here, basically. With an 8-tick stop. 148.27. Be right back, guys. I need coffee. He's going to get second target here. That's it. Both targets filled on NASDAQ. ES is going to short, which I'm not digging because it's going to sell in the hole. Yeah, right off the bottom. You're long $1.9864? 98.64 or 99.64? I think crude may pull back to 99.43, but I prefer the longs. Crude has resistance at 99.95 on the small time frame. Above that, it can trade 101.25 towards second target, and we have the ES trade. So yeah. All right, fellas, it's 9 o'clock. I'm going to take my breakfast break. Crude may short. I'll be back in about 20 minutes. Okay, guys? Still selling. Some buying coming in small. Second target filled on the Russell bot. Crude bounced and has since come back to entry. See if we can get a breakdown in crude. If crude goes to targets, I'll be shutting bots off. They're currently at 1497.50 green. If it hits those targets, I'll be shutting the bots down for the week. YM is selling, probably down to 620. NASDAQ, I'm going to look to short about 915. This area here, I shorted 19. Come on down. If you guys want to take some money off, feel free. Russell got all three targets. Oh, you son of a gun, you pushed up. Come on, breakdown. Nope, I'm out. I'm out. It pushed up through all that resistance. Russell got all three targets. Now it's going to pull back. You scum. Just check what that guys. Yeah, small. Still think we're going to pull back here. We are. Out on crude. There must have been news. Out on crude. There's my pullback. It just pushed further through the resistance than I thought it might. Let me look at this crude, fellas. Crude pushed up into that resistance, and if it breaks probably the next 10-minute candle, it's going to break up to 101. NASDAQ Right short, wrong stop. Bullish engulfing candle. Jeez. Damn you. There goes the NASDAQ, fellas. I think we come 850. We just traded into yesterday's close. All right, now crude is long. Gold is turning up as well. Small buyers in here on the NASDAQ. They bought the Russell. They're buying the Russell. Russell's headed to 91. RTY is long if you guys trade RTY. YM selling, NASDAQ, nothing at the moment, and ES resistance is going to be 540, 545. NASDAQ, can't find any buyers. 1,300 sellers. ES is puking. I like it at 45.32 though. Here comes that ES. Crude got target 1 on the long. And is about to get target 2. Something about an upheaval in Libya. Both targets filled on crude. Target 1 and target 2 filled. All right, guys. Gold is long on the bot. Is gold has to get above 35.8. What's up, Greg? You long crude? It's kind of a crap trade again. Small buyers now in the NASDAQ. Well, bonds was a great trade. Bad stop. Gold trying to get to target 1. Nice job, Ozzy. Some 10 o'clock news. We still have some 10 o'clock news. Three-tenths higher than expected on March PMI. Taking what earlier, Tom? Oh. Gold is almost to target 1. Target 1 filled, gold. Tried to buy 32. I don't know if no, 32 quarter. Hang on. Guys, I mean, it's quiet. I would say you could probably try a long, but I don't have any buyers. I don't have a trade. I've really got nothing. Out on the runner on gold. So guys, here's where I'm at on the bots. 1537.50 green. And I have another trade on here in the Russell, trade number 2. This will be the last trade of the day for the bots for me. ES isn't taking another trade while we're in the room. NASDAQ will not take another trade while we're in the room. And gold will not take another trade. Anyway, it may, but not likely. There it is. This is the last trade of the day, guys. Another winning trade. Nice job, Tom. Up over $5,000. How much of it was bots? All of it. Nice. You're not trading 3 contracts then, are you? You are? How the hell are you up over $3,000? I mean, $5,000. I'm at 1637. Are you running them different hours? Oh, running since 6 a.m. Got it. Okay. Yeah, one of the members sent me a hang on, guys. 1 second. All right, guys. One of the guys sent me a tweet, forwarded me a tweet from some idiot that said there isn't a robot out there that makes money. I think he means other than ours, but I guess he's not aware of ours. Come on, got a bid, stepped in, small. He's gone. 50 is what I'd like. Yeah, this isn't going to work. Come on. Here comes ISM. to miss. I'm out. Oh, you scum. New orders are below to miss. All right, we made some money. Still think we've got a shot as long as that low holds, guys. If that 08 half holds, I mean, this could be the bottom. And I think it may, and I'll tell you why. We're into the cloud. If this moves down to 780, it's going to bounce there. Maybe, yeah, 780. There may be one more press lower. Let me look at this ES. ES is sitting on the 100-day moving average. I'm going to try long in the ES. ES long, if you want. It's on the 100-day. If it's coming down, I don't think it's coming much further. Here's your ES. There you go. I'll take 2 off at 35. Oh. Trade them as you see fit, guys. NASDAQ is dragging again. I do not think the ES is going to blow this 100-day, which is about 32, right where we're at. I'm sorry, it's 26. 26, that was the 100-day. So I am late on the trade. Nice job, Johan. Have a good weekend, man. Take the 900 and Didi. Come on, yes. Pull up. It's back to the 100-day. I'll give this 5 points through the 100-day, so down to 21, which is 10 handles, guys. God, the afternoons have been so much more fun. Sellers, they're not big. Not a big buyer. Nothing. But sellers here at 35. Yesterday's low. We're back on the 100-day. I'm counting on this to hold. This is another entry if you guys want to try, 100-day moving average entry. Come on. Can't find yourself 2 points, 3 points? NASDAQ is trying to bid. Nice job, Frank. I mean, it varies, Josh. You know, we've come in and had, trades, really good trades until straight till 4 o'clock. We've had days where there's been nothing to do until 2:30. But yesterday we did over $4,000 in the afternoon. Actually, we did more than that because I was down in the morning about 4,200 and I finished up on the day like 1,700, and it was all in the afternoon. And we left about 2:30, 2:45 because we had taken like 5 NASDAQ trades. I had one small loser in there, but 4 big winners on NASDAQ. I did have a couple of trades in crude. Come on, get through that 249 seller. Jeepers, criminy. It's acting like this is the NASDAQ. Let's go. Pop that stupid small seller, 250 seller, 286 seller. If you guys want to take a handle, take it. If you bought that 100-day movie, I mean, I'm counting on the 100-day to hold. I'm a little obviously late. I missed the initial bounce. And if that 100-day holds, this should bounce. We could get a bounce back up to, the point of control is 42. It would not shock me to bounce to 40 anyways. But trade them as you see fit. There are no block buys, none. NASDAQ is stuck at yesterday's low, 56. ES is pushing yesterday's close right at 30, half 31. So it's trying to fight through yesterday's close. If it can get above, 31 and then 34, it's going to trade 37 and 40. It's completely putrid. Next 10-minute bar in 55 seconds. See if we get a bump on that. Russell came into some support. So did crude, pulled back to 99, 93 and bounced. Gold, nothing. Natural gas is bid. Bonds are bouncing nicely, but they're not long yet. What a boring trade. Unfinished auction at the bottom of the current candle. If you guys want a handle and a half, take it. We've got to come through 33.25 and then 34.5. If we get through that swing, the probabilities are we get to at least 36. You got two handles. Trade them as you see fit. This is a seller showed up here small, but we don't have buyers. Our big buyer's 260, 290, 300. They're buying 32, but dink and dunk size. There are no block trades in here. Wouldn't offend me if it got that unfinished auction out of here first, but NASDAQ is fixing to pop. It's pushing yesterday's low again. Above this, it goes to 69, which was yesterday's close. And if NASDAQ pops, there it goes. ES should pop with it. It did. Now you got three handles in it. Trade them as you see fit. This thing is slower than molasses. My first target was 35. I moved it out. But trade them as you see fit. That swing's got to go. 34.50 has to go. If it does, I think we can get that target. But trade them for your accounts. Come on, NASDAQ, get to 69. Take this thing with you. 500 seller, 504. Some buyers with them. We're pushing. Here is the ES. Got to get above that 35. If we get that swing, come on, NASDAQ, pop. There we go. No, there we go. You got three handles in it, guys. 3.25, four handles. I'm walking you through what has to happen. 4.5, 4 and 5. Now it's a nice trade. Come on. Sellers, buyers. Come on. Decent trade. 4 handles, 5 handles. All right, waste. This is just killing me. I'm out. Killing me. I'm out. Trade them as you see fit. I could have traded the NASDAQ. NASDAQ, all right, NASDAQ's breaking up. ES will get you that target now. There's 35 on the ES. Probably headed back toward now VWAP. ES turned into a great trade if anybody held it. Again, if you are currently, guys, in the afternoon session, hit to the damn tick and did not fill me. All right, piss on it. Out. I don't think this is going further, though. I think this is stuck until the next 10-minute bar, which is in 4 minutes. All right. Well, I lost 700 and change on the first trade, and now I'm up just under $400. So I can look at that on a Friday. I think we've got a shot of popping to 92. There it is. We should get 90. We should get 88 then 97. 88 then 97. All right, Jeff, you too. Let's see where we are, guys. NASDAQ's off 30 points. That's it. ES is off 4. YM's down 32. ES back into that 100-day, and it's breaking through. We got one bounce, and it's pushing down. ES could be headed to 45.10. NASDAQ also breaking down again. Guys, give me 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. NASDAQ long. NASDAQ's long. It may fight this area, but I'm going to take a NASDAQ long. 10 handle first target again, guys. It's again fighting yesterday's low. So it needs to push up through 60. Got buyers. It's pushing yesterday's low again. We've been back and forth through yesterday's low 4 times on the 15-minute candle. So over the last hour on a 15-minute bar, we've been back and forth through this 4 times. We only have 1,200 net sellers, guys. 1,300. You know, they've been buying them back fairly steady. So trade accordingly. Short oil. Short, we're below VWAP. I'll try a small short on oil. NASDAQ still hanging in there. Oil's coming down. First target on oil, 27. It's not much. 27. Come on, crude. NASDAQ, you dog. If you guys want to try a ZB short again at 08, you can hit 08. Target one, maybe 5, 4. Putrid. Come on, you dog. It should get to 68, 69 again, which is yesterday's close. Trade them as you see fit, guys. There we go. Missed by 3 ticks. Got it. Target one filled. Now if we can get through that 70 zone, we can try to trade up to 87. There we go. going to kill that. Here's your crude. Hang on, guys. Okay, guys. No, I didn't send you one because there's first target on crude. I didn't send you one because you told me you were already in, Jordan. So you're fine. I got you. Now I'm trying to get down to 98.95. Let's call it 97. Whoop. Okay. Anybody take crude? Anybody take crude? Guys? I know most of you guys don't like crude. Gold got targets. Yeah, gold got target. All right, out. Okay, I did not. Obviously, I shut my bots off. That would be trade 3. Guys, anybody not making money today? Is there anybody that has not made money today? Do I have anybody down? You're making cheese? Don, you're at work, man. You come on. You're at work. Okay. And speaking of, shouldn't you be working? What are you doing? They make you the boss now? You don't have to do nothing? Hang on, guys. Let me look at these damn. Nice job, Josh. Something, I think Christine Lagarde is speaking. All right, guys. I'm going to go over bot trades. It's not 11 o'clock, but NASDAQ looks like it's trying to push up. But I'm going to do bot trades now, show you guys the trades. This was trade number 1 on the NASDAQ, 833. First and second targets. It did hit third target, but I don't trade the third target. So first and second targets, and that's it. Trade number 1. And then I'll give you my bot totals. Here is the Russell. Trade number 1, right at the open, 7 seconds after the open, all 3 targets hit. I do trade 1, 2, and 3 on the Russell. Trade number 2, 946, first target only. Trade number 3, first target only and a winner, but the bot hit was off, so I don't have that winner, and I do not have this loser. That's it. So the Russell today was 3 for 4. Crude, trade number 1 at 921 was a losing short. Trade number 2 at 936, first and second targets. And then trade number 3 at 1033, you would still be in that short. It has not gone to target yet or stop. I do not have that trade. I told you guys I was turning bots off. The ES took 1 trade today. It did get all 3 targets. For me, it was first target and a pullback into the trail and done. So first target only. And here is gold. The first trade on gold, my bot was off for the non-farm payrolls, was a winning trade. It's tracked for statistics, but it was off. Trade number 2 at 9 o'clock, first target only. It barely missed second. Trade number 3, which would be 2 for me, but into first target only. And then this last trade, the bot was off and it did get first and second target. So, again, the bot could have had a better day, but it had a pretty dang good day. That is all of the trades. Here is the bot total for the day, 1602.50 plus. I will give you the weekly totals. Okay, bot weekly totals. NASDAQ. $13 for 16 on the week. RTY. 4 for 6 on the week. Gold. 10 for 14 on the week. Crude. 5 for 7 on the week. And ES. 1 for 3 on the week. Bot weekly total. Bot 38 week total. Let's see here, guys. I just have to do the total. Here are your totals, guys. Okay. NASDAQ and gold pretty much carried everything. Crude had a decent week. ES trading below its, but it only took 3 trades all week, which is crazy. For the week, 91.7750. And for the 38 week total, 38 weeks ending today, 158. 259. So if somebody wants to mail this idiot divided by 38, this is your weekly average. Somebody wants to mail that guy that sent the tweet out. Let him know. Yeah, some guy sent a tweet out that said there's no automated trader, that automated robot that makes money. I beg to differ. That's what we got, guys, for the week. Anybody have any questions?